Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we will take a quick look at Zoho Desk, so let's get into it. Zoho Desk is basically a platform that allows you to manage your customer service operations. This can help you to manage your employees as well as creating a simplified version of a CRM. So without any more delay, let's get started. First, you need to create your own account from here. I will just sign in with Google. It's faster and easier. And I will make my account from here. Here it will ask you about the company name. Let's name it tutorial. And your phone number. I will just insert any fake phone number. Okay, continue. Okay, next. You can invite your agents from here, or you can just set up later. I will just set up later because in this tutorial, I will show you the main features. So you can invite any agents from here, but I will skip it for now. So this is your interface here. The major components lie on the top menu. So our first tab is the tickets tab, which contains all the tickets that you received. So you can open any one of these. You will find the ticket. You can simply reply to it. From here, you can reply all, reply or forward. Let's choose reply all. And you can provide the customer with your response. You can send. Of course, it will not send because this is the customer service itself for Zoho. But if it's a real person, it will be available to send it. And after sending it, you can. Let's just cancel this one. After you send it, you can just close the ticket from here, which is an indication that the problem is solved. If we return back to our section, we will find that the ticket is closed from here. You can also change the status. You can reopen it and you can escalate the problem if you don't have the solution for it. So the next section, which is knowledge base. This represents the articles that you can write to help your customers. So you can press on start writing, you can add a title and you can type here. You can also decide the category, you can add subsections from here. You can also display permission for agents only or registered users or all users. You can add tags and you can add an expiration date. So basically, the more articles you add to your knowledge base, the more you illustrate and explain problems to your customers, and hence the less tickets you receive because you already provided them with a tutorial and a help center that will allow them to use it without asking for a ticket. So next section is the customers. Here you have all your contacts. Next section is the analytics, which shows you an attractive charts which summarize your performance. So basically we had a new ticket and this ticket is closed, and here you can see it in the chart. Next is the activities section. We don't have any activities. You can add one, you can add a call, you can add task, or you can add an event. Next is the community section. This section is also helpful to reduce the number of tickets you have. So if you created a community, people can help each other. So there may be a question that one of the customers ask and another customer reply to him. So they solve the issue without having to send a ticket. Next is the social tab, which allows you to integrate your social media accounts. You can get started and you can integrate your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. Next is the chat, which is a service that allows you to start a chat with customers so that you can solve their issues in the form of a conversation. And finally, the IM section, which represents all-in-one solution for your customers. You can integrate your WhatsApp, your Telegram. You can integrate more platforms with your customers so that you can reach your customers all these platforms through this section. So this basically saves you so much time. And next, you can add a ticket from here. You can also access the quick action, which allows you to add new ticket, article, account, and more. So basically, this contains all-in-one drop-down menu that allows you to reach multiple options fast. Next is the search icon, which allows you to search for anything in your desk.zoho. And next is your notifications, which shows you what's up and what's news in your company. Next is the settings section, which allows you to control your profile, your account, and your business. Here you can set up your channel, general setups, customization, and automation. So you have multiple options here to control your own organization. And finally, here you can access to your information and you can adjust your availability, you can adjust your preferences, you can even sign out. You can also here access all Zoho apps, which we usually explain, but not in this video. Now we are just explaining the desk service. And here you can access to live chat, through which you can ask for help from the help center, and you can access to many guides and tutorials that will help you in your in organizing your own business. So basically, these are the main features for desk.zoho.com. So that was our tutorial for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you guys in the next videos, and thank you for watching.